Hi, I'm Mike Cruz. I'm the principal and owner of Cruz Law Firm. Today, I'm going to discuss with you a way for a person who's charged with a first-time criminal offense. Let's assume it's a minor charge such as a DUI or a theft under. But I'm going to discuss with you a way to save some money, to get the proper advice and a legal opinion that you need at the same time saving money and getting the best result you can in your particular case. So again, we're talking about minor charges. For example, a first-time DUI or impaired driving, first-time shoplifting, theft under, a minor domestic assault involving not a lot of injuries, for example. Now, in this particular case, typically, you'll go into the typical lawyer's office and they'll say to you, well, listen, give me a retainer. You've retained me. Now I'll represent you in court. And then they're going to ask for more money. And it's either going to go to trial or it's going to wind up in a withdrawal or a negotiated resolution. But the bottom line is there's going to be a lot of money you have to pay. Here's the way to save some money. It makes sense. It's the truth. Lawyers don't want you to hear this, but I'm going to tell you the truth, and the criminal bar probably doesn't want to hear this, but here it is. If you come to us, our law firm, with that type of offense, I would say to you this. Hire us for a more modest fee. We'll start out by giving you a legal opinion. For example, let's look at a DUI case. We're going to analyze the police reports. We're going to meet with you. We're going to meet with the prosecutor as well for a legal opinion. And we're going to say this. Here are your odds of winning this case. Here are the strengths and weaknesses of the case. Now that might fall into a range. It might be a completely unwinnable case, or a very easy to win case, or somewhere in between. And we're going to say to you, well, we can't win this case, for example. And in that case, just as an example, we're going to negotiate the best resolution we can with the Crown Attorney. Or in another case, perhaps it's a winning case. We're going to tell you it should go to trial. Then you can retain us to go to trial. But what you're not retaining us to do is do a guilty plea for you. It's usually a waste of time. It doesn't result in anything better for you in court, and it's going to save you money. So that's all you have to retain us for at the outset. It'll be a modest fee. You're going to like the good, honest advice we give you and save yourself a pile of money. Now, there's exceptions to every rule. In some cases, we may say to you, well, look, the Crown's not playing ball. They're not giving the best negotiation possible. You may need to hire us further to go on to, for example, a pretrial to find the right judge and find a better deal. But in most cases, I can assure you that that's not going to happen. If it's not a winning case, we're going to tell you that the Crown's offering a pretty good deal to take it, and you're not going to do any better. And the bottom line, save your money. So that's it. Give us a call. We'll give you some free advice about this. It's no obligation. We'll explain what's involved in a legal opinion, and you can decide to hire us. And at the end of the day, you're going to save money. Having said that, I hope you have a winning case and we can head on to trial. We can represent you at the trial as well.